do. Touch me like you do. Touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?